So I don't know if you can see what's going on behind me there in the lens, but my son is playing permaculture. And it is probably one of the cutest things I've ever seen. And so one of the best gifts I've ever been able to give to my kids was leaving the oil and gas industry and starting to teach permaculture design. And so my kids have grown up with it. They've just kind of absorbed it. And now they do it instinctively. So let's go talk to him and see what he's doing with that snow shovel and how he's trying to harvest water. It's super cute. Okay, tell me what you're doing, Ro.
It's a track that goes up from all the way up here to down here.
Yeah.
And this is like a little dam where we can store a bunch of some water.
Yeah.
Not a bunch. So it just goes all the way up.
Yeah. So you're kind of doing permaculture with snow.
What?
You're kind of doing permaculture with snow.
Kind of.
Do you like damming the water?
It's like fun.
Yeah. That's a lot of water you got stored there.
Not much. It's designed for more.
Seems like it's leaking out of the dam.
Yeah, because it's snow. And snow, not many people use to dam up things. To be honest, I have never met anybody who's used snow to dam things up.
So I don't know about you, but that was pretty cute. And so one of the best gifts that we've been able to give to our kids is this gift of permaculture. They've just kind of grown up with it. And sometimes I wonder whether I should have left the oil and gas industry and pursued a different path, but it's at times like this that I'm really glad that I took the path that I did. Because now it's just instinctive to them. They just see water and they want to harvest it. They see gardens and they want to grow food or harvest the food. And it's become part of their DNA. And so as you're sitting in this COVID funk, maybe you're not in a funk, but quarantined anyways, and you're wondering how to educate your kid and how to use this time effectively, the world's going to look different after this. Nobody can predict what that means. We can just look at some of the repercussions that have already happened as a result of the shutdown of the global economy and some of the fragilities that it's exposed. So if you're wanting or sitting on the fence about taking a permaculture design course, in fact, most of the students that have come into the program thus far have all said, I've just never had the time. And now I've got the time, and the course is half off from what it usually is. And now's the time to do it. And so if you're on the fence, this window of opportunity is shrinking. We are going to come out of quarantine. We are going to be rebuilding this world in one way or another. And you've got this incredible opportunity where if you're on EI, the government's giving you some money, you're at home, you can invest in your education, you can invest in your future, and you can invest in your resilience. And so I invite you to join this class. We have an incredible group of people from all over the world who are participating, who have finally made the leap and are going to put this idea into their life, put this idea to practice. And I'd love to have you in the program. The course closes at 8 o'clock on Sunday night. We're going to be closing registration, and we're going to be locking everybody in for 3 months and filling their brains with optimistic design strategies to change the world and their lives. So I don't police who sits behind the computer screen. So if you want to sit there with your whole family with one ticket, it'll never be this inexpensive ever again. And you can make this into a family experience. Teach your kids permaculture. Give them the tools that they need to be able to grow their food, and at least understand where their supply chains come from and how they can shorten them so that when situations like this happen, whether it's the financial system or the food system or another pandemic or any other system that we depend upon that shuts down within a 2-week period of time, they'll have some idea of where to turn and some strategies to use to make their life a little bit better. Thanks so much, guys. If you have any questions about the Permaculture Design Course, make sure you get in touch with us. I'll leave a link to the website down below, and we'll see you guys real soon.